friends, this is Romy from Romy's Life, and today we have cheese ravioli. Right now I just have, let me see, the mushrooms. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them up really fine. I'm also gonna add to this recipe onions, peppers, and tomatoes. This gonna be sizzling in a separate pan. While I cut this up, I have the ravioli in a pan, but in hot water. They're boiling. Please make sure that you put oil and salt in your water when you're cooking pasta. That way they don't taste bland at the end. I also gonna add some broccoli to that water as well. So I'm just kind of like cutting away and putting stuff away as I do. While I do that, that's my little Darth Vader back there. While I do that, please feel free to subscribe, share my video, give me thumbs up, make a comment below how I can improve. I'm pretty sure in here that's my broccoli florets. They're going into the water with the pasta. I'm pretty sure in here that the YouTube community is awesome. So let's all stay to stick together and be ready to have so amazing feedback. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Right now it's just the pasta and the broccoli cooking together. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my tomatoes. It's just pretty self-explanatory. Can you hear that sizzling in there? I have to leave that in there because that sizzling is amazing. There is tomatoes, peppers, onions, and mushrooms. And this dish does not have any meat at all. It's very good for anybody that is vegetarian. It's not vegan, it's just vegetarian. And please excuse my kid in the background. And this is my pasta with the broccoli. Right now we have the pasta with the broccoli. It's just pretty much we're draining it and we're letting it rest. We're still sizzling the vegetables a little bit. That sizzle is amazing. Excuse my kid in the background, he's losing his mind. Now we're mixing in the pasta with the vegetables. After we mix in the pasta with the vegetable, I use half a cup or half and half a jar of spaghetti sauce. You can use whatever spaghetti sauce you prefer. I'm sorry you guys didn't get to see that part. And now you can hear that sizzling with the half and half and the spaghetti sauce. And now you get to see how everything is mixed in and just tasting lovely. And now camera picture perfect. That's the final results. Please subscribe and give me thumbs up. I appreciate you.